this video, I'll be showing you how to send your cryptocurrencies between different exchanges. Let's say you want to send your cryptocurrency from Binance to Bybit, or from Bybit to Gate.io, or from Bybit to Phantom Wallet, between different exchanges and different wallets for either spot trading, for futures trading, or if you want to use virtual card or use cryptocurrency for any transaction online, if you want to even send it to your loved ones abroad. This is the method you use. So let's say in this video we try to send our cryptocurrency from Gate.io exchange to our Bybit exchange. Okay, so what you basically do is, since Bybit will be a receiving account, what you do is you go to your assets, okay, click on deposits, then you deposit crypto and select the currency you want to deposit. So in our case, we'll be using USDT. So select USDT, then it will take you to select chain. Now there are a lot of chain networks here, but before we talk about this in-depthly, let me show you another way you can actually do this. Okay, so I'll go back to the home page. I'm clicking all of this. So from the home page, let's say I want to make bank transactions, card transactions using the virtual card on Bybit. Alright, so I can click on card from the list of icons here, or if it's not on this list, you click on more. Then once the list loads, you can now search for cards, then click on cards, and then click on top up. Okay, so you notice this page is similar to the previous page we just left. So what you're going to do is to basically tap on deposit crypto. All right, then make sure you're selecting the native coin you're going to be sending to Bybit. Okay, so I'll select USDT from this list because that's what I want to be sending. Then now this is the chain, the network you're going to be using. Now when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are different networks you can use to send your crypto coins from one exchange or from one wallet to the other. Okay, so here there are lots of them. You can see BSC, that is Binance Smart Chain Network. You can see Ethereum Network, ERC20. You can see Tron Network, TRC20. But I usually love to use BSC Network because it's relatively cheap and fast. So I'll click on BSC from the list to select it. Then it will now show me this page, which I'm going to select here. Then what you basically do here is you can either use that QR code at the top, or you copy the wallet address. I advise you copy this wallet address. Okay, so once you're sure that the wallet address is copied, you're good to go from this page. The next thing you want to do is to go to the exchange or the wallet where you'll be sending your crypto from. Okay, so the first thing we did was to copy our address of where we are going to be sending to, and remember we are using the BSC or Binance Smart Chain Network, which is one of the cheapest and fastest. So to the other app, which is Gate.io exchange, where we'll be sending our USDT from, I'll go to my assets. Okay, once you're on this page, you now click on withdraw. Then remember you're using on-chain, that's cryptocurrency withdrawal. Okay, so on Bybit we clicked on deposit, while here we are clicking on withdraw because we are doing the opposite. Okay, so since we are sending from here, we are going to be using withdraw, and since we are receiving on Bybit, we are going to be using deposit. So you remember we used deposit to copy the address. So while on this page, I'll click on on-chain withdrawal. Now remember our coin, the coin we are going to be sending is USDT. So on this list, you want to search for USDT, then select it from the available list. Okay, you can read that pop-up and then move on to the next level. Now remember the address we copied, right? This is where you paste it. Then the next thing you want to do is to select network. Remember on that page when we are trying to go through those list of network, one of the networks that we selected, or the network selected, was Binance Smart Chain. because the fee is cheap and it's relatively fast. Now I'm even seeing a new network here called KAAI. I don't want to murder the name, that's why I'm spelling it out like that. So I think that's one of the cheapest here, because the fee is 0.001, which is negligible. Okay, another thing you want to do is to go through the list, since this displays the charge per network. So what I can also do is to either go back to Bybit to check if they have Kaya network. Select USDT from here, then let's look for Kaya network. Oh, it's down here below. I'll select it and then copy this address. So remember to always use the same network address for your deposit or for your transactions. If you don't do that, you're going to lose your fund. So because I've copied a new address here and I'm using a new network, I'll select this new network. I'll no longer use Binance Smart Chain network, which means the previous address I pasted here, I'm going to remove it completely. Then I'll paste the new one from Kaya network. Make sure everything tally, please. Kaya network address for Kaya network, Binance Smart Chain address for Binance Smart Chain network. So since I'm no longer using Binance Smart Chain, I'm going to be using Kaya network, which is one of the cheapest now in terms of charges, and it's also fast. Transaction will be completed within 1 minute, so I'll use that. Then I'll click on max USDT. Let's say if I want to send 50 USDT now, I'll just type in 50 USDT here, but I want to send everything, so I'll click on max and then it shows everything here. That's the balance I want to withdraw. Okay, once you're on this page and you have copied and pasted your network, you've confirmed the network and the address, and then you've confirmed your amount, I like to double check, because if you send to the wrong address or use the wrong network, you have lost that fund. We're using network higher and we're using this address, the first 2 numbers and the last 3 numbers. Let me just confirm one more time. Okay, so they are correct. Then I'll click on withdraw, then I'll confirm withdraw. So I'll do my security lockup here, then I'll wait for the funds to get to my Bybit wallet. So once you send and you've done your security verification, you go back to your Bybit account or to the wallet, either Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, whatever wallet you're sending to confirm if your funds have arrived. So on here is showing under my notification that they are waiting confirmation. So wait for it to complete. I think it has succeeded. And you see my balance have increased accordingly. So that's basically how to fund your account or transfer money between different wallets in crypto, from Binance to Bybit, from KuCoin to OKX, from Gate.io to Bybit, or to Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet, wherever you're sending it to. Or if you want to just top up your virtual card on Bybit to carry out international transaction, this is basically how to do that. So if you enjoyed this video, if you've learned something new from this video, feel free to share with your friends, and see you in the next video.